And I remember going to school here, you see.
Brynberian and the Brynberian Community Centre is very close to my heart because in 1972, when the school closed as a primary school, the community got together and bought the old school for the community. Back in 2016, we thought, well, you know, this is the time for change. This is time to bring the building up to the 21st century and also include far more people from the community to take part in what was going on there.
You know, when there's an event on, which often happens in the community centre, then you know, everyone just seems to, you know, come together, and it's a really great connection.
This is a very, very exciting project, very exciting.
Gornel dywyll. Mae gen I gornel dywyll bach yn gyfer stafell felly. Dim ond fi sy'n mynd i'r lle, ac dim ond fi sy'n gallu.
Hi, my name's Jeff Phillips and I live at Newfoundland, Brynberian. I was in Llwynihirion School between 1958 and 1961. I enjoyed my time there, to be honest with you. The headmaster was Ivor Davis and I thought he was an excellent headmaster for what I remember.
The threat to the language, which we could see even in our own time, you know, the fact that you wouldn't see your own language in your own country on things like official notices and road signs in particular. You probably know that I was involved in that campaign for bilingual road signs. I was a vandal at one time.
Dim ond y fi sy'n mynd i'r lle, achos dim ond y fi sy'n gallu.
There was a Welsh knot there.
And what was that, Myra?
Pardon?
What was the Welsh knot?
Well, they couldn't speak Welsh. They shouldn't speak Welsh.
It's very difficult for young people in this area. I think, well, from my own generation, a lot of the people who I went through school with left the area. Some have come back. It's quite difficult to stay in this area. You have to think outside the box a little bit.
Right, how are you going to feed her?
It's a community centre for the people, and it doesn't matter whether they're black or white, English, Welsh, Spanish, whatever.
Mae'n un o'r pethau gorau sy'n digwydd yn yr ardal. It cheers me up no end to see it happening.
About 8 years ago. Yes, yeah, it's a long time. We were quite happy and, you know, it was a little country school and everybody knew each other and we were all happy. It was a very happy time, I must say. Wy'n meddwl amdano drwy gydol y dydd, cariad yn